Hello Shane, this is Alin Vargata from Trimax Solution. You asked a video that would do this, the impression that the part would rotate. What I did here, instead of rotating the part, I placed the camera on a dolly that goes on a circle, and you pretty much record what the camera sees. Now, let me show you how I did this. I'm going to start from scratch with simply starting a new assembly. And in this assembly, I'm going to insert my part. Let's say this cable bike lock. So it's a bike lock cable bracket that I designed. And I don't know, you can make it nice, maybe without edges. You can use all kind of things, add material and so on and so forth. Next, let's define where the dolly is gonna go. So maybe I'm gonna start with the top plane and make a copy of it. This way I can control how high the camera is gonna be located compared to the plane of the part, okay? So I don't know, let's say 250 millimeter above the top plane. And on this new plane, I'm going to create a sketch, and the sketch is simply going to contain a circle. All right, so this is a circle that's going to have a certain diameter. Again, you can control the diameter later on, let's say 1 meter. Or if you want to be in imperial, use feet or inches or whatever. Okay, next, let's insert an empty part that's going to be my dolly. So let's say part millimeter, I'm going to click somewhere on the screen, and I'm going to float this part. And let's pick up its origin, let's pick up the circle and apply a coincident relation, right? So you can see the part is going to be there. Also, one thing I would like to define is an axis between the front and the right plane of the assembly. And you're going to see in a moment why this is a good idea. So let's insert an axis. Because one thing I would like to make sure is that the front plane of the new part and the axis have a coincident relation. Okay. Now you can see how this part can moves like that. So I don't want this necessarily to rotate like crazy. Maybe I can get the top plane of the part and the top plane of the assembly to be parallel. Okay, so now the part, you can see how it rotates. To control the rotation, you can actually use a angle mate, right? So again, I can pick up the front plane of the part and the front plane of the assembly and simply apply an angle. Let's say 0 degree. Okay, there you go. Now if I want to change the position of the part, I simply need to go and change the value for my angle. What else I would like to do? Let's add a camera. So you're gonna go to Display Manager, navigate to Scene, Lights and Cameras, and go Add Camera. So what's important here is the position to be controlled by this point. And let's say we're going to target a certain point on this part. What should we go? Let's go through maybe to this a point somewhere on this face. And this is what the camera sees right now. Okay. You can change what exactly sees by multiple options here. You can play with this, right? I want to make sure that it doesn't roll, so it's going to be a 0 degree angle. And right now, the camera is aimed at the target, its position is checked, and its target is known. So I'm going to simply click OK. Time to go to a motion study. Let's say this is going to take 5 seconds. Very important at this point is to turn off the this option, disable view key creation. Actually, I want that to be on. Okay. And one thing I would like to see right now is the actual camera view. So if you right click on the camera, you can say, actually I can simply, I'm already in the camera view. So make sure that this option is checked, camera view. This is what the camera sees right now. What else is important? Well, let's navigate to second 5. So at second 0, we have 0 degree angle for that mate, right? Second 5, I want that angle to be a different value. So it's going to be, let's say, 360 degrees. So it's going to be a full rotation between second 1 and second 5. And let's see what happens. What's the camera seeing? And you can see now the camera pretty much spins on that dolly. And it gives you the impression that the part rotates. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for your question, actually. This was a good idea to create a video like that. Thank you.